it. Do it.
Is it filling? Alright.
Motherfucker.
Nothing.
That's a weird smell.
You can smell it.
Are you serious? Oh, I smell it.
I don't know, but I don't smell it.
I'm freaking out, guys.
Ew. Ew. What the fuck? What the fuck?
Let me see.
Oh, God.
Let me see.
Oh.
That is disgusting.
Let me
It looks
see.
like sour cream.
Let me see.
Sauerkraut?
I think it's solid.
Oh, what happened?
What the hell?
Did it just take the
It
water
just-
out of it?
No.
It stopped being liquid at all.
Yeah, now it's just like
Look at this.
paste. Oh, the liquid's in the middle, dude.
What?
It's soft in the middle. But it's hot. What the fuck is going?
Did the liquid just travel to the middle?
I think so.
God, it's got even less Newtonian.
Are you guys not smelling that?
I kind of smell it, but it just smells like really warm Oobleck. Doesn't smell like anything special.
Can't say I've ever smelled that before, though.
Oh, it's like a weird jelly now.
Butt
Here,
wick?
feel it.
What the fuck? Oh, that's way less Newtonian than it already was. It's like not Newtonian at all.
It just
It's like got negative Newtoniums.